So here me JimmyaGeek, how to use the power button and to end the call. For example, let me call something. I'm pressing, it's not ending the call, it's just like giving option. So let me go to setting, additional setting, accessibility. Okay, accessibility, let me display size of this one. Okay, we want to accessibility. So my premium battery die. Let me go to setting, additional setting, accessibility. Here should be like power button to end call. Okay, now let me call again in front of you. As you can see, let me press the power button and call. So the call is ended. It was me, JimmyaGeek. Subscribe. Bye.